Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of eyewear with a spotlight on what many consider to be the crème de la crème of sunglasses, the CARFIA vintage polarized sunglasses for men. These aren't just any shades, they're meticulously crafted, offering both style and substance. Let's delve into what makes these sunglasses stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about protection. These sunglasses aren't just about looking good. They're about keeping your eyes safe from harmful UV rays. With CARFIA's UV 400 protection lenses, you're shielded from 100% of UVA, UVB, UVC, and even harmful blue light up to 400 nanometers. Whether you're hitting the golf course or lounging by the lake, these sunglasses have your eyes covered. Now, let's address clarity. Ever experienced the annoyance of glare ruining your view? Not with these shades. Their premium polarization filters out 99% of reflected glare, giving you the clearest, sharpest vision possible. Say goodbye to optical distortion and hello to seeing the world in true color. And let's not forget about style. Crafted from hypoallergenic, handcrafted acetate, these frames offer lightweight durability and all-day comfort. Plus, with their vintage retro design, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Forget cheap imitations. These are the real deal. So, there you have it, the CARFIA vintage polarized sunglasses for men. With unbeatable protection, unparalleled clarity, and timeless style, it's no wonder why these are considered the best Meller sunglasses on the market. If you're ready to elevate your eyewear game, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay stylish.